YUSCII is an informal name for several JU standards for 7-bit character encoding. These include JUIB 1.002, which encodes Gaja's Latin alphabet, used for Serbian, Croatian and Slovenian language. JUIB 1.003, which encodes Serbian Cyrillic alphabet, and JUIB 1.004, which encodes Macedonian Cyrillic alphabet. The encodings are based on ISO 646, 7-bit Latinic character encoding standard, and were used in Yugoslavia before widespread use of later ISO 8859-2 8859-5, Windows 1250, 1251 and Unicode standards. It was named after ASCII, having the first word, American, replaced with Yugoslav. Yugoslav Standard Code for Information Interchange. Specific standards are also sometimes called by a local name, SLOSCII, CROSCII or SRPSCII for JUIB 1.002, SRPSCII for JUIB 1.003, MAKSCII for JUIB 1.004. JUIB 1.002 is a national ISO 646 variant, i.e. equal to basic ASCII with less frequently used symbols replaced with specific letters of Gaja's alphabet. Cyrillic standards further replace Latin alphabet letters with corresponding Cyrillic letters. LLJ, NNJ, DDZ, and ZDZ correspond to Latin digraphs, and are mapped over Latin letters which are not used in Serbian or Macedonian Q, W, X, Y. YUSCII was originally developed for teleprinters, but it also spread for computer use. This was widely considered a bad idea among software developers who needed the original ASCII such as tilde in their source code, an issue partly addressed by trigraphs in C. On the other hand, an advantage of YUSCII is that it remains comparatively readable even when support for it is not available, similarly to the Russian KOI 7. Numerous attempts to replace it with something better kept failing due to limited support. Eventually, Microsoft's introduction of code pages, appearance of Unicode and availability of fonts finally spelled sure but nevertheless still slow end of YUSCII. Code page layout. Code points remained largely the same as in ASCII to maintain maximum compatibility. Following table shows allocation of character codes in YUSCII. Heavy bordered entries highlight differences from ASCII when interpreted as Latin-based characters. Both Latin and Cyrillic glyphs are shown. See also KOI 7, Russian equivalent. Cyrillic script. Scientific transliteration. Iskra Delta Partner, a computer with built-in YUSCII.